Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. All right, as we can see, after the price drop, now we're looking at this correction. We want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, first of all, we prefer if we put this one, the lowest. All right, as we can see, price broke the previous low and we see we have a divergence. But first, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are almost at the bottom of this correction. That means we're looking for this correction. If we get any reversal, then we can look for buy. All right, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop it. The price can turn to a deeper correction, but we will be more interested to look for buy. The reason is if we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this. If anyone wants to look for sell, the best is we get one move up, this one turn to flat, then if any sell from there, there will be more, they can look for sell. What I want to say is that the price can, if the price is going to drop, I don't think we can get a really good sell setup from here unless we wait for the breakout of this. Then from there, if anyone wants to look for sell, they can look for sell. But for us, we're looking for this one. We're looking for buy. That means if we get any buy setup, we will take the trade. But after the, we want to see the price can break the top of this correction or not. The reason is we can expect this one turn to a flat. All right, that's why first, we look for buy. If we get any buy within this, we take the trade. If we see there is a breakout of the top of this flat, this correction, then good, we keep the trade. If not, then we take out the trade, then we can look for this as a flat for one more drop. That's why this is how we can look at this. That's why if anyone wants to look for sell, the best thing is they wait for one move up. Then from there, they see if they see that the price cannot continue and it conform about this flat, we can put in relative to this and sell from there they can look for. But based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for. In this case, we move to the 1 hour chart. And as I mentioned, if we get any buy setup from here, we will take the trade. That means if we get any sharp move, like we will take the trade. And the only thing is when the price tag the top of this corrective move, we see if there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. Then from there, we can look for this flat for one more drop. All right, that's why I mentioned whoever wants to look for sell, if they turn this one turn to a flat, it can give us better sales trade for them rather than selling from here. Okay, and as I mentioned, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop from here. The price can, but we cannot get a really good sell setup from here unless we see the breakout of the previous low. Then anyone, if we get any sell setup after that, traders they can look for sell. But for me right now, we're looking for buy. Even this one, if turn to a deeper correction, we are not going to look for sell. We're looking for buy because in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. The only thing says if we get any buy, we want to see whether the price can break the top of this correction or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.